guys, in today's video I am going to be carrying you guys along on my everyday life, so guys, I want to make a fried egg for my children today because that's what they want. And also, after I finish making this stuff for them, I wanted to treat their head though, but the weather is okay today. The sun is shining, so we all decided to take them out today. And moreover, tomorrow is Monday, but tomorrow here in Deutschland is public holiday, so we are not going to be going to school tomorrow. So we have a lot of time, so maybe I'll make their hair when we comes back, or I will make it tomorrow, so I want to show you guys what my family eats in the morning, so I want to make fried egg for them because that's what they want, so that's it, guys. After then we'll take them to playing ground. So that's it, guys. So, and let me show you guys the stuff. This chicken you are seeing here is chicken waiting. It's chicken lap. So I just remove it from the freezer. So I want it to defrost so that I'll bake it later, after we return from people. So the next thing I'm going to add water to it because I want it to defrost. Don't mind the way I'm talking this morning, just that I just woke up. So I've changed this place. Look, I removed some stuff there because before I was having that deep fryer that you normally put oil inside. So I just noticed that one used to kill a lot. It used to consume a lot of oil. So that's when I bought that one. So that one is okay for me. And there's another thing I also buy too, to be drying stuff. So hopefully that will come on Tuesday because tomorrow is holiday. So I'll receive that one on Tuesday. Why I won't buy that one? It's an elevator. I don't even know the name. I forgot the name. So I want to be using it to dry my catfish and dry tomatoes, all those stuff. So I'll show you guys when I'm doing it. And when I'm unboxing it also, I will also review it. I'll also show it to you guys, So subscribe. Let's dive into this video. Because is we need oil. We need oil so to do it tomorrow because my husband is at home though, but tomorrow they don't have work. So when I don't do it, he will also take them out because he loves taking them out. But I have to follow them today, So we add a bit of chili pepper, so just like this. That was enough. That's it. Bring that this thing for that plate there. Now you go. This is it. It's Friday, so I want to eat Friday. I want to fry the other one, you know. This is for my children, you know. I'm making it for them. Yes, why? I think I said I don't why. This is for who? This is for your papa, eh? For that? For that one. This one is for who? I press it. So far, you don't use this press. This pressing the shit, you don't use it finish. You don't even clean. You don't clean it. How many bread? 4. Hey, 5. Christopher, it's too much. Oh. 4 is okay. Hey. Definitely, Efosa will be needing some. So, guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. See you guys when we are going out. Thank you and subscribe to our channel. Watch out. Hey, see my boy is here. Huh? My son. Can you guys see it? What?